exhaust time. So we get to fix this loud, obnoxious exhaust on my Sonoma. It's been this way for about 5 years. I should have fixed it a long time ago, but I'm just getting around to it now. So I did pick these up from Rock Auto. I know Rock Auto has some haters out there, but you know, I've bought stuff from before in the past. Some of it good, some of it not so good. I've had okay dealings with them, so I'm not going to complain too much about it. It's one of those things you got to know what you're buying. You know, if you expect to be able to go into a parts store and order something and it not be correct, and then you be able to walk back over there and exchange it, you know, that's something you should probably stick to the parts store for. If you're going to buy something online and it not be correct, especially from Rock Auto, you're going to pay the shipping back to them to get the part back in their hands. That's just kind of how they do business. What Rock Auto is, if you don't know, Rock Auto basically goes to all these manufacturers of these parts from everybody. And the people who deal with shipping things to and from the big box stores, O'Reilly's, AutoZone, Advance, they go straight to the people who are supplying them. And they say, hey, we'd like to buy your product, we're going to sell it for this much. We'll basically list it on our site, and then you have to ship it from your location. So the manufacturer goes into that agreement with them, and that's why some people have some issues with buying and returning. Because basically if you bought something and it wasn't correct and you return it, then Rock Auto is basically providing a listing service for that manufacturer, for that part for your vehicle, more so than actually being a supplier of that part or carrying that part in stock for you. So I know it doesn't help some people in some situations. They're still going to hate them, but I don't mind. I know what it is, and I know, you know, you take a risk with everything. So anyway, we got the short intermediate pipe here that goes between the catalytic converter and the muffler. That is the one that's causing me the majority of the issues that we're facing noise-wise with my old daily driver here. But while I was in there, I decided to go ahead and get the tailpipe section as well. This is the tailpipe. I'll get all the stickers off this and cleaned up and ready to weld. But as you saw in the previous cut, the tailpipe is absolutely rotting. It's been that way for quite some time as well, but it hasn't created so much of an issue as noise because that's post muffler. So it created a little bit more drone underneath the bed because it had a bigger cavity to kind of reverberate under as it was exiting instead of outside of the vehicles underneath the bed. But like I said, the bigger issue is the split between the catalytic converter pipe and the back of the catalytic converter pre-muffler. That has got split all the way across the side where it's seam welded. All these are seam welded, all these tubes are seam welded. So that over time, this is a 92 and we're in 2018, so you can do the math on that. But it's had plenty of time to deteriorate, break down, and split along this. And so we're going to fix that today. All in all, this is about $60 delivered to my door. So not too terribly expensive. One must always ask the question when starting any exhaust system work is how many bolts am I going to break? Well, on this job, the answer so far is 2. I think the results speak for themselves. Much quieter. Super happy. I gotta tell you, the lift makes things a whole lot easier. I'm definitely happy to have put it in. I'm sure it'll get a lot more use in the future, but I know this was kind of a boring project, not typically what we usually do here, but sometimes you got to take care of the daily drivers, the ones that get you to and from point A to point B, and that's what this project was today. So maybe a little quieter. Don't sound like a obnoxious high schooler with his loud exhaust anymore. Not that I'm against loud exhaust or anything, but this isn't the vehicle for it. So we will be doing some work on some other ones that will have loud exhaust, and it will be on purpose and not be due to rusted out exhaust, shall we say. Thanks for watching. That's a wrap, and we'll see you next time.